so exciting with one of our top products is here, and it's a brand new scent launch. Only here on QVC can you get the honey nectar and the peach for the whole of March. It's Elasticizer, and Philip Kingsley have absolutely done us proud over the years. Welcome back, Lisa.
Thanks.
With a product I think is like almost no other. Now, it's a litre, so someone has to be confident to buy that much. What does it do?
Well, Elasticizer is a pre-shampoo deep conditioning treatment. It's a mask for your hair that, in a nutshell, restores the strength, shine, bounce, condition, just brings your hair back to feeling beautiful, supple, glossy, bouncy. The hair that we used to have before we started to tinker about with it a bit. Yeah,
almost like rejuvenating your hair.
Yes, yeah.
The biggest differences I think that we show you is immediately before and after we've shampooed with it, we've treated our hair with it.
This is absolutely delicious. We love it when we bring you a new fragrance. We try and do it every year for you. This is the gorgeous honey nectar and peach. Oh my gosh, for me, predominantly the honey really comes through this. You've got peach as the top note, so some blush peaches. We have pear in here as well. We've put a little bit of jasmine, rose geranium, tuberose. We have almond. It is such a delightful complex of fragrances. This is not, and I know that you'll know when you smell it, this is not a fruity scent. For me, it's I find honey a very soothing and quite a comforting fragrance.
And it's a proper honey fragrance as well.
It really is, isn't it?
If you don't like florals, you'd never buy anything that is like overtly cherry or anything like that. This could be what you get. And look at that fragrance pyramid there, because you said lots of layering.
There's so much layering. We've also got pink pepper in here as well, and I know that everyone's nose is different. You'll pick up different notes when you first smell it. Abby Cleve had a smell earlier. She said, oh, I can smell the peach as the top notes, but for me it's that gorgeous honey. So I know that you're going to love this because I find it a very calming and soothing fragrance.
Now, how do you use it? Because we've got Rach here in the studio. You know, I've used it for I would not be without it. Used it for years and years and years, and obviously you're an advocate yourself. But there are different ways of using it. People think sometimes it's just a mask that you use once a week, but it's more than that, isn't it?
Yeah, you can. You can use it. Sometimes people use it on every wash, and I think you use it every wash. It should go onto your hair before you shampoo it. So it is a pre-shampoo mask. So you need to just dampen your hair down. That's whether you spray it with a water mist or put your hairbrush under the tap. Take your elasticizer, work that through the mid-lengths and the ends, pop a plastic cap on if you can, or a shower cap or a warm towel. Heat really traps the moisture in, you get a better treatment. Sleep in overnight if you want to, and then you'll shampoo and condition afterwards, and instantly you will see those results. And that's instantly using it on Rachel when she came into the studio today and had elasticizer on probably for about half an hour. Her hair is manageable, the bounce, the swing, the youthfulness to her hair is incredible.
I also love the fact that you've got the little dispenser there. That means you can top these up.
Well, you can. So, I mean, I do take this into the shower, and I'm okay at squeezing this directly into my hands, and then I can put it onto my hair. But if you want to, if you've got any kind of pot at home, whether it's a skincare pot, if it's not an elasticizer pot, it's a really good one to just decant that into, and then if you're on your holidays or you're going to the gym, you can take that with you on you go.
And less plastic.
80% less plastic, which is just always a good thing, absolutely.
It really is. Now, one of the biggest differences for me that is when I notice when I don't use it. So once every so often I go to the hairdressers, I forget to take my elasticizer, and then the next day or the day after, I brush my hair and suddenly there's these flyaway things happening at the bottom. It's like, what's that all about? This makes my hair less flyaway.
Yes. Yeah, and you know, it coats the hair. It's got castor oil, it's got olive oil. Most importantly, it's got elastin in here, and that's going to help to keep your hair stretchy. You know, don't be frightened by the words of oils in here. So if you've got very fine textured hair, you might think, I don't want oils near my hair. You do. Even on my very fine hair, those oils will lock in the water, smooth the cuticle, give you the shine. If you're thinking your hair is just beyond saving, if you're feeling it's breaking, you've done too much heat or chemical to it, this can absolutely be rescued. In our trials here, we showed up to a 46% reduction in hair breakage. That's with one application, and that is on bleached hair. So if you can imagine using elasticizer once and almost reducing the amount of breakage you see by half is incredible.
Yeah, it is, which means actually you might find your hair grows longer if it's not breaking as often. And certainly for me, elasticizer together with my Dyson styling products has meant my hair grows longer and it's as thick at the ends as it is near the head, and that doesn't happen all the time. You see people get older, your menopausal hair, if you think to yourself, oh, that person looks like they've got hair extensions, this is actually my own hair with elasticizer that I've used for years. And if you look on the ends of my hair, I don't know if you can see, I missed my hair appointment because I had to change my hours because QVC wanted me in earlier. Missed my hair appointment. At the ends of my hair, there's virtually no split ends on there. And that's, I think, because I use elasticizer every single time, like a pre-shampoo treatment.
Yes.
Every time, and I notice when I don't use it as well. What do you think? Look at this consumer perception trial here.
Yeah, absolutely. So hair feels less straw-like. A lot of people use those words to say my hair feels like straw.
Yeah.
Particularly if you've been on holiday, you've been putting a lot of heat on your hair. Hair feels healthier, hair is stronger. So if you do want to grow your hair and you don't want to keep going to the salon and taking, nibbling the ends off and you think I can't get it longer.
Yeah.
Elasticizer is brilliant for that. And I think it's testament when the ends of the hair do look chunky. You've got good density at the ends of the hair as you have at the roots as well.
And this is what it does. All these benefits.
So it's easy to say what elasticizer doesn't do because it's incredible and it's for all hair textures. So you're going to recondition your hair. It's going to give it that real drink of moisture, bring back the shine, the bounce. A lot of people say when their hair looks good and shiny, it knocks years off you. So it actually has a really youthful appearance when your hair has those healthy characteristics. And it is for all hair textures. So whether you are fortunate enough to have hair like beautiful Rachel, or whether you have hair like mine, the other end of the scale, I've got very fine, very lightweight hair, elasticizer is going to be for you. So for me, elasticizer plumps the hair up, it gives it that swing and bounce, it keeps it shiny without the weight. But for Rachel, it's going to help to tame it and control and to give it that shine and to take away the frizz.
Yes.